everyone, today we are presenting you with a star product of SDLG, the TV1100H tracker speed steel loader. It's a powerful assistant in the engineering field. The TV1100H is a tracker speed steel loader. Its box is rationally designed, enabling efficient material shoveling and loading. The sturdy boom has an extremely high load bearing capacity. The spacious and comfortable cab, equipped with a self-following control box and a heating and cooling air conditioner, provides a favorable working environment for the operator. Moreover, the solid tracks have strong grip and can adapt to various complex terrains. It is equipped with a highly reliable Yamaha engine with stronger power. This engine has the advantages of low emissions and low noise, enabling the loader to operate stably in various environments, whether it is day or night. In actual operations, the TV1100H performs outstanding. It has great lifting forces, can quickly complete various loading tasks. The working device adopts a vertical lifting design, which can achieve better unloading height, unloading distance, and machine stability. Moreover, it can be equipped with a variety of attachments to meet diverse needs. Inside the cab, the new style dashboard is clear at a glance. Operation board and levers are reasonably arranged for convenient operation. The operator can precisely control every movement of the loader through this device. The TV1100H also has strong adaptability. It can move stably on slopes and muddy terrains. However, when operating on special terrains, safety must be emphasized. For example, when driving on slope, it's necessary to control the speed and the position of the box. Daily maintenance is crucial for the performance and the lifespan of the loader. The TV1100H is also easy to maintain. You can easily inspect and maintain each part. Regular maintenance according to the specific circle can keep it in good working condition. This loader is widely used. It can play an important role in scenarios like mountain house construction, road construction, and backyard gardening. It's an ideal choice for your engineering operations. The SDLG TV1100H tracker speed steel loader is reliable, durable, efficient, and multifunctional. Choosing SDLG means choosing quality and guarantee. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact us.